Unveiling the spotlight. Mastering the phrase, spotlights on them. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or will surely encounter. Spotlights on them. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of English expressions used in daily conversations, media, and more. Let's get started. The phrase, spotlights on them, is a metaphorical expression used to indicate that all attention is focused on a person or a group. It originates from the literal spotlight used in theaters, concerts, or any performance space to highlight the performer on stage. When we say the spotlight is on someone, we mean they are at the center of attention, and everyone is watching or listening to them closely. In personal situations, when used in personal contexts, spotlights on them can describe situations where an individual is the focus of attention during events like birthdays, weddings, or when sharing news. For example, at the party, the spotlight was on them as they announced their engagement. In professional settings, in professional or work environments, this phrase can highlight someone's responsibility or achievement. For example, during the meeting, the spotlight was on them as they presented their project proposal. In media and entertainment, or sports, the phrase often indicates that a celebrity, athlete, or public figure is receiving a lot of media attention, possibly due to a significant achievement, controversy, or event. For example, after winning the championship, the spotlight's on them. Understanding similar expressions can help you better grasp the nuances of English. Phrases like center of attention, in the limelight, and under the microscope convey similar meanings but with slight variations. In the limelight also refers to being in a position of public scrutiny, while under the microscope suggests a more intense examination or scrutiny. And that's a wrap on understanding the phrase, spotlights on them. We've explored its meaning, usage across different contexts, and similar expressions. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your ability to express nuanced thoughts and emotions in English. Thank you for joining today's lesson. I hope it has shed some light on this expressive part of the English language. See you in the next video.